Hi everyone, welcome to your channel. This is Lorena. If you are targeted on how to build up a caring and high-end dining room, today you are at the right channel. Today we would like to introduce several tips for you to build up a high-end dining room. So on the top of that, I think you need a high-end and the caring and also the comfortability at the same time. So of course today the products we recommend will all be very comfortable. So today we will start from the chair. So here you can see this is the first dining chair I would like to recommend. Actually this one has been shown on last fair in Guangzhou, and this is our original dining chair from our designer Janice. So you can see the outlook is quite nice because it has a very fluent and smooth and curvy edges. This chair is covered by vintage velvet. You could see some pattern on this fabric. So this is the natural fabric, and you could see the fabric swatch on the screen right now. So here are some colors for you to choose. And also this one is quite soft. The reason we choose this fabric is it looks nice, and also we could do this kind of effect for the wrinkles. I think this one is a good choice for the people who would like to choose the elegant and nice product. And also here on the back, we put some diamond stitching. So here this one, if we look from a long distance, you could see the diamond stitching. So this one, it looks high-end for the whole dining room. And also this chair is quite comfortable because when I sit down, you could see the space is quite nice, and also here is quite enough for most of people, and also the depth of the seat is also great, so you can really relax on this dining chair. And of course, according to the market feedback, we have known that some customers doesn't like this kind of wrinkle, so that's why we remove this wrinkle and change to another fabric. So right now let's check another fabric. Another fabric is covered by PU, and on the first side is a pure color PU. And this is a new fabric we started to use in last fair as well. And also this PU is very soft. That's why it looks like a real leather, and it looks quite nice on the dining chair. And also we combined another fabric that is the kind of knitted PU. So actually this one is not the stitching, it's the natural, the fabric. So you could choose several colors on the screen, as you can see. And also what I mentioned just now is about the stitching. Here we remove the wrinkles, and also I think this kind of stitching makes these chairs more suitable for the market like Germany, and also some markets who would like to pursue a kind of neutral and calmness in their dining room or their apartment. So that is two kind of fabric for this chair. Actually, if you would like to choose something that neutral or cold colors, I recommend you to choose this one. If you would like to choose something that is warm or caring, I recommend this one. So those are the choices in you like. And also if you're interested in this product, welcome to leave us a message. This is the second chair I would like to recommend. Actually, this one is quite popular among markets, especially in Germany. So that's why we like to choose this kind of very comfortable and popular chair for our audience. And also this one, you can see it from the outlooks, it looks quite neutral and also comfortable because you can see the double layer here. And also actually from the outlook you can see it's kind of two fabric combined together. On the arm is the pure PU. This one is quite soft, so you can see the colors on the screen. And also this one in the middle, for the seat part, is covered by microfiber. I say this microfiber looks more vintage and always a good choice for our customer from Germany. These two colors combined together, it looks like an integration. So this one is quite good for us to match with some tables or the room, which is quite calmness or with some cold color. And also you can see the double layer here is all filled with the foam. So it has a very high density, so it's quite comfortable when you sit on. And also you can see the back is quite high, so it attaches almost to my shoulder, so which makes me feel very relaxed. And also the angle of the seat and the back is good because we have adjusted for several times. So this is a good item for me if I want to really enjoy my meal. And also here the arm makes me feel really relaxing. So if you're looking for a chair that can be quite vintage style or match to a very cold color in your room, so you would like to choose this one. Here is another chair I would like to recommend to our audience and customers. So this one is really popular among the market, especially in Russia and Poland. So this one is quite nice because it has a very smooth and curvy shape. And also the tufted stitching makes it more elegant from the outlook. If you want to make a very good effect on the stitching, we firstly would like to choose velvet. So especially this kind of pure velvet because it's quite soft and it can make good effect for the tufted stitching. And also here you can see it looks quite nice, and also the tufted stitching also shown on the arm. So it makes the chair more elegant. And also here this one is quite comfortable because you can see from the side part the depth is quite long, so that's why we will feel very comfortable, because I think most of the European customers got long legs, so that's why they would like to choose some chairs that is quite deep. So that's why we launched this chair. And also this one is in KD structure, so we can see the structure on the bottom. So here, actually this one, it can be knocked down. So it's import business. This one is really good for the package because it means more chairs can be loaded in the containers, especially under the circumstances of the high sea freight. So that's why I highly recommend you this chair. And also this one is quite easy for us to match the dining table because you can see it can match to all the colors, like all the wooden color or the pure white or black or gray. So this is a good chair for you to match any kind of dining table. So if you're interested in this dining chair, so leave us a message. So here is the dining chair I would like to recommend. This one is our original design by the designer Janice. So as you can see, it's quite different with her other designs because this one is quite neutral and is in PU, and it looks quite vintage style. And also this one is also kind of her style because it's covered by two different colors, as you can see, but they're all in PU, the new soft PU TKS, as you can see on the screen. So this one it looks quite high-end because it looks quite neutral and it doesn't have too much stitching. Only the stitching you can see is here, a very short one. And also this one looks quite neat and tidy. And also this chair in PU, it is quite convenient and easy for us to clean, especially for some time if you drop some water or some oil, it's quite easy for us to clean up. And also this one, the high-end part lies on the seat because you can see the double layer. So this, the upper layer is all built by the foam, so which is quite comfortable. So for example, so right now when I sit on it, it feels like when I sit down, it likes all the foam is just falling down. And also here is quite comfortable, and also the back is filled with much foam as well. So I say this one, it looks quite neutral and also it's comfortable as well. And also because this is quite popular among our market since we launched it, so Janice designed quite same design for a leisure chair. So right now let's check the difference between the dining and the leisure. Ding, here is the leisure chair. Actually is kind of same design with this dining chair. Because it's the stitching here, and also here actually is kind of stitching, but actually is a separate rope. But don't worry, of course, when I sit down, I won't feel the rope that is quite hard or itchy on my back. So from the integration is soft. And also this chair is covered by two fabric as well. This one on the front is linen fabric, and on the back is the same as this one, the soft PU TKS. So I think this combined together, it looks quite high-end, and also because this one is originally from our designer, so it's quite unique in our company and also among your market. So if you are looking for a unique chair, or you don't want to have the same chair with other people, also I think this one is a really good choice to start your business. And also this one, you can see the seat is quite thick as well, and also what I said here is really comfortable, and not only the seat, also the back, because the here is also filled with thick foam as well. So I think from the integration, I think this leisure chair is as same comfortability as the dining chair. So I think this is a good choice for you if you would like to make your dining room or your bedroom or the living room more caring and also high-end. And also I think the fabric our designer used is quite unique as well. And also if you would like to choose any of these products, welcome to leave us a message, and also of course you can choose your sales as well. I'm introducing a very hot-selling and nice dining chair and bar stool right now. So here, first of all, I would like to choose the bar stool as the beginning. So as you can see, this one is quite popular, especially with the tufted stitching here. So actually, tufted stitching requires a higher handcraft for our workers. So that's kind of the standard for our quality of our factory. So here actually the tuft stitching is covered or made by the velvet, and this one is a kind of different compared with our normal velvet. So this one is the non-finger effect velvet. So as you can see, for most of velvet, if you like to touch a little, so it will look like a little messy and not very tidy and clean. So this one will avoid those kind of effects. So this one, I think if you would like to choose very clean chair, so I highly recommend you to choose this velvet. And also here, the seat height is 75 centimeters. So this one is quite proper to match with the bar table. And also this one, the most advantage of this chair is, I think, about the loadability, especially for our import or export business. So if this chair packed 4 pieces in a carton, the loadability for a 40 high cube can be over 1,000 pieces. And if 2 pieces packed in 1 carton, the loadability could be 660. So I think it's a very good number for a bar stool. And also here, I would like to show you the height. So actually this one is 75, and also when I sit on here, so as you can see, the back is quite high for a bar stool, so I feel very comfortable when I was sitting here. And also you can do some readings, or you can have some snacks in your house. So I think this one is a very good choice if you're looking for a new and updated chair. So that's everything for this one. So right now, let's check the dining chair. This is the dining size I would like to recommend. So you can see from the color combination, the pure white table, and also this color, the chair, I think it's really my style, because from my outlook, you can tell this is really matches me, because I like to choose some color which is very pure and those kind of cold colors. So I think the chair is in gray and a little silver color. So, and also the tufted stitching looks like some little stars on this color. So I think it is quite shiny. And also, of course, if you would like to choose this color, I recommend the color in white. for the table, because for the combination and the whole side, you can tell it's quite pure and tidy. And also for this chair, the seat height I can show you is a really good height, and also the height of the back, you can see actually for the last version is a little lower than right now. So after our test, we have adjusted for several times. So right now it's the really good height for us to sit. And also of the radius of the back and the seat. So this is radiant after our adjustment. And also I think this table looks nice as well. It's totally in MDF with white matte painting. And also it looks quite pure. So if you are interested in today's bar stool or the dining chair, welcome to contact with our sales.